crazy, man. Carol and myself, we are at Chit Chat Chai. This is a place in Borivali, and we have right now ordered for the Burj Khalifa Burger. It's here. Wait, I want to just count the number of patties that they have. Like, I can see 1 here, 2, and there's a bun in between. There's a bun in between. I see a lot of sauces over here. I can see like a dark barbecue sauce.
Fries, they look like Jenga.
Yeah, we're gonna like rip them apart now in like just a few minutes. So there's a third patty over here, and then there's some. I don't know what this is, so just have to check what this is. And there are these 3
Kofta balls.
Kofta balls, or like a crowning glory.
See, I can't open my mouth this way. No,
just try. So, should we just like remove this and start?
I think we should just pull this out.
No, it's not. Lovely. Cheesy. I'm gonna go for this. So it has aloo in it. Can you believe it's veg? Very tasty, very cheesy. I think we should make smaller burgers out of it. So turn it down. I want to see what this is.
It's a potato.
Not a potato, it's fried, dude. There's one more. See?
It's a samosa.
Cheers.
Yummy.
This is
Look at it.
whoa. Okay. Karen, let's try and see how the patty is.
Okay.
And take your fork and spoon. Sorry guys, we are having a burger with a fork and spoon. Can't help it. Okay, let's see how this.
Capsicum. It's a little spicy.
We're going to be finishing this. We're going to get the entire crew to help us finish this. And you guys must try this. It's mind-blowing. I'm telling you. And it's veg, but it's still mind-blowing.